Hey friends, welcome back to Just for Fun 290. In today's video, we have a big collection of Spider-Man toys. Check out all these awesome toys we'll be checking out. Our first figure to check out is Spider-Man Tech Suit, and this is from Spider-Man Homecoming. Here's a look at Tech Suit Spider-Man out of the package. Spider-Man unlocks all the advanced features of his suit to unleash his full potential. And it looks like he can bend his elbows and knees. Oh, he can twist his foot around too. What's up everyone? I'm Spider-Man. Here we have 3 Spider-Man Homecoming pop figures. We have Vulture, Spider-Man with homemade suit, and Peter Parker. Looks like there's 5 figures in this set, and we have 3 of them, so we just need 2 more to collect, and that's Spider-Man number 220 and 226, Tony Stark. Whoa, check out Vulture. He has some really cool armor, and check out those wings. This is Spider-Man with his homemade suit. This is Peter Parker. And he has a backpack on. Do you have any idea what's inside the backpack? And his head bobbles. He doesn't really stand up well on his own, so I had to lean him against the package. See, he falls backwards. Let's try it again. Oh no, Vulture is coming. I better change into my homemade Spider-Man suit. Whoa, Vulture's on the attack. Vulture's not gonna stop me. You missed that time, Vulture. Now check this out. Gotcha! Let's check out this other Vulture we have, and this is from Spider-Man Homecoming. I have a feeling he's gonna try to take on our Pop Spider-Man. This Vulture figure is much taller than our Pop Vulture. And his wings are a lot bigger too. And on this one we can take the wings off. Just like that, and then they snap back on. Like that. Let's destroy Spider-Man. Flying in for the attack. We win. I don't know about that, because we're gonna send Spider-Man with Supercross Cycle after Vulture. Nice Supercross Cycle, Spider-Man. Thanks, I just picked it up. Let's see how fast it is. Spider-Man crashes. And now he's back up. Let's take a look at this cycle, and we can take Spider-Man off his Supercross bike. This is a really cool Supercross bike. It looks just like a real dirt bike. And it does have Spider-Man colors. A lot of blue and red on it. And some black and silver. Spider-Man's been riding this thing all day. He's stuck in a riding pose. Alright, let's put him back on his cycle. Hey Spider-Man, can you use your new cycle to take down the vultures? I sure can. Come and get me, Spider-Man. One vulture down, and one more to go. You can't get me, because I'm going to take flight. Not if I get to you first. I got them! I think that's enough riding for today. Next up, we have some mini-mates. We have Ultimate Nova and Ultimate Carnage from Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man. That's a lot of ultimates. And what's awesome about these is we can mix and match parts. This figure is Ultimate Nova. He is black, yellow, with some red and white. And we have Ultimate Carnage over here, who is red and black. Let's mix and match these. We still have a bunch of really cool Spider-Man toys to check out, so which one should we open up next? How about Power Charged Electro? Here's our Electro figure. And to make him power charged, we just put this right in his back. There we go. We push on this blue button, that makes him light up. Where is Spider-Man? Whoa, there's a bunch of Spider-Mans behind me. Next up, we have the Spider Racer, and this comes with 2 Nerf darts. This is so cool. Check out how the Nerf dart can launch out right here. I cannot wait to open this. Here's the Web Racer and Spider-Man. Now this is super awesome. And especially awesome because it comes with these 2 Nerf darts. And what we do is put them right inside, and then we push this back, and it's ready to launch. And with this side launcher, we can take it off. So we can just use it as a launcher off the vehicle. And we can easily snap it back on. And it goes right back in like that. Spider-Man's in the control seat. We can easily take Spider-Man out. He can't move his elbows or his knees, so he's kind of stuck in position to be riding in here. Whoa, I can't stop! Now we'll take a look at our last 2 figures. We have Doc Ock and Spider-Man. Alright, let's check out our Spider-Man in his homemade suit. Peter Parker made this suit himself, and he did a pretty good job on it. And he has this awesome web that he's gonna sling at Doc Ock. Gotcha! I'm going to get Spider-Man with my mechanical arms. Come here, Spider-Man. Ah! He got me! But I'm gonna get out with my web slinging. Gotcha again! Spider-Man wins. It looks like Doc Ock is gonna need some better mechanical arms if he wants to take on Spider-Man. And check that out, we can take all of his mechanical arms off. Now he's just Doc Ock. Here it is, our final Spider-Man figure. And this is a soft, squishy Spider-Man. It says, Marvel Spider-Man Adventures. Spider-Man. It looks like Spider-Man's doing some stretches. And now he's on his feet. Check out his huge feet. Bad guys, let's team up and destroy the Spider-Mans. You won't be able to stop us. Why do you say that? Because we have the huge Spider-Man on our team, and he's coming to get you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stick around for more awesome videos. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye.